Thailand, His Majesty the King has thanked his people for all the people involved in the operations to combat COVID-19. Faye Barte joins us live from Bangkok. Hello, Faye.
Good afternoon to everybody. Speaking after the cabinet meeting on July 8, 2020, the Prime Minister and Defense Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha said that he had been granted an audience with His Majesty the King to give a report on the government performance. Emphasis must be placed on fair and transparent administration to ease the hardships of the people and bring about the national stability. He said also that Their Majesties the King and Queen on July 6, 2020 donated biosafety mobile units to collect COVID-19 test specimens for the Ministry of Public Health to use in its 12 health area offices across the country. Their Majesties also donated personal funds to produce and develop biosafety mobile units to support medical operations against COVID-19. In line with the travel scheme, Alma, there are like 7 steps for the Thai nationals or the foreigners who would like to apply for entrance here to Thailand. The first one that they must follow is to contact the Royal Thai Embassy or the Consulate General in their country. So for example, they are in the Philippines, a Filipino wants to come back here in Thailand, they need to have an appointment or to contact the Royal Thai Embassy. And the second there would be like foreigners are required to book the alternative state quarantine or the ASQ to provide a fit-to-fly certificate from a healthcare institution. Regarding the COVID-19 free certificate, it is required to be done not more than 72 hours before departure. In addition with that, the health insurance that they need to have must cover treatment costs of COVID-19 or other diseases for the amount of 100,000 US dollars. And the thing there is after doing these requirements and after submitting all the required documents, they need to stay safe with full awareness or like practice protection for themselves. And they need to wait for the processing of screening operation, and they need to have the quarantine. They need to stay in quarantine calmly and safely. And after that, if everything is negative, they can travel here and stay here in Thailand. Regarding in line with the travel scheme also, if they want to travel, there is a good news for everybody. The Fine Arts Department, Alma, will be opening a new building for the Prabuddha Chinarat National Museum at Wat Prasi Ratana Mahatat Temple in Pitsanulok Province. Bangkok to Pitsanulok would be like 4 hours away from here, and where numerous valuable antique objects are collected. So it would be very good for them, and they can see golden and silver trees. And this would be open for general public in August. The last update, Alma, for the COVID-19, there are 5 new cases that have been added, and it comes now with 3,202. 4 from United Arab Emirates on July 2 and 1 from Egypt on July 8. Back to you, Alma.
All right. Thank you very much, Faye, for your updates there in Thailand. Stay safe.
Likewise, Alma, this is Faye Barte reporting live from Bangkok, Thailand Bureau, and we live in interesting times.